probably run over
Racing
my
fuel,
thigh.
right?
Yeah.
No, trash cans. We're just taking out trash cans.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Recycle.
It's racing fuel.
No, it is not. It is trash cans. We're going to the desert and we're saving the environment.
Are you still recording?
We're doing.
Are these guys legal or not?
Not in 90-90.
This is Adam with Tribe 16 here in Dallas, Texas. If y'all don't know about him, you should. We started leaking diesel fuel. This truck has a 25-gallon main tank and a 40-gallon auxiliary tank. The auxiliary tank is leaking where it transfers to main. So we're down to 25 gallons capacity, which you can imagine is not very much, towing all the trailers and race cars and everything like that.
Thank you again, Adam.
Yeah. Thank you, Adam.
Hell yeah, no worries.
Today.